A very good afternoon, students. Today we will see the amines, different aromatic amines, classification of amines, on which basis different amines are classified. Uh, After complete watching of this video, student will explain what is the amines and classification of different amines. Now, let's start the video like introduction. Amines are similar to ammonia. Ammonia, which is basic in nature, with one or more alkyl or alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen atom. Okay, means what is the molecular formula for ammonia? Ammonia is NH3, means one nitrogen atom is attached with different hydrogen atom, three different hydrogen atoms. So it becomes NH3 and contains the lone pair of electron. This is the structure for ammonia. Now the classification of amines. So different amines are derived from this ammonia. Means basically nature of both amines and ammonia is similar, which is basic in nature. Here how we derive different amines from this ammonia. The classification, the primary, secondary, tertiary corresponding to the number of hydrogen atoms or alkyl replaced. Means, for example, if this NH3 is ammonia. In this NH3, if one hydrogen atom is replaced with alkyl group, we can say R. R means any alkyl group. If the one hydrogen atom is replaced with alkyl group, that is R, so it becomes, what is this molecular formula for that? RNH2. Means here one hydrogen atom is replaced with R, so it becomes RNH2. So RNH2 it is primary amine, because here only one hydrogen atom is replaced with hydrogen atom. Then what is the next? Primary amine, which is shown in the structure. You can see in the structure at left side of your screen, which is structure for RNH2 for primary amine. So what about secondary? Secondary is similar, but here two hydrogen atom of that NH3, two hydrogen atom is replaced with alkyl group, two alkyl group. So two alkyl group, whether either they are similar or different, means R, if both hydrogen atom are R, then it is similar. Means if the this particular both hydrogen atom is replaced with methyl, it is similar. In case what happens, R dash, R means suppose we can say R means methyl, R dash means C2H5 ethyl. So just you look at the screen, at right side of your screen, that is R, one hydrogen atom is replaced with R, second hydrogen atom is replaced with R dash. So this is structure for your R2NH. So it is secondary amine. What about tertiary amine? Tertiary amine, you can see in the middle structure, all three hydrogen atom of your ammonia is replaced with alkyl group, either similar alkyl group or different alkyl group. So it becomes the tertiary amine. Means only nitrogen atom is remaining, all hydrogen atom is replaced with different alkyl group. So middle structure of your screen, it becomes your tertiary amine. Then this is all about your classification, primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, now aromatic amines. Aromatic amines, these are the derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon in which a hydrogen of benzene ring has been replaced by amino group. You know very well about benzene structure. Benzene structure is here, each carbon of benzene ring is attached with hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom means all hydrogen atom of benzene are equivalent. You all aware about that. But now here one of hydrogen atom of this benzene ring is replaced with NH2 group. NH2 is amino group. So it becomes aromatic amines. For example, aniline. Aniline NH2 is attached with benzene ring. So it is aniline. Then N-methylbenzenamine. Here N-methylbenzenamine here means if the hydrogen atom of this amino group, that is NH2 group, is replaced with alkyl group, in this case methyl group, so it becomes N-methylbenzenamine. Then another hydrogen atom of this NH2 is replaced with another methyl group, it becomes N-dimethylbenzenamine. This is all about the aromatic amine. Then one example is given here, that is hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine is, you might be heard many times in this COVID-19 crisis, that is hydroxychloroquine, which is actually anti-malarial in category, but it is used against COVID-19 or coronavirus. Here you have to point of interest is here only we have to identify the which amine is present here, means whether it is primary amine, secondary amine or tertiary amine. You just look at the structure, this NH2, in here NH2 all hydrogen atom is replaced with any other alkyl group or what. You should look carefully at the structure and find out whether it is tertiary or any other else. Okay, this is structure about hydroxychloroquine. Then different examples as per our classification of amines is given here, like primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. In the first row left side of your screen, that is NH2 and one propyl group is attached, that is propyl group we can denote as a R. Means here left side of screen of your first row, the structure indicate as a primary amine, means only propyl group is attached or which replaced by hydrogen atom, other two hydrogen atom are remaining as it is. So first structure, first in the first row left side of your screen, which is denoting as a primary amine. In the middle of first row, which can we can say that this structure is indicated as a tertiary amine. Why it is indicated as a tertiary amine? Because here all the hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by methyl group. N is attached with methyl group, different 3 methyl group. So here all hydrogen atom of NH3 is replaced by methyl group. So middle structure of this first row, we say that this is tertiary amine. Then in the first row, left side of your first row, which amine? Tertiary, primary, secondary. Here is primary amine. Why this is primary amine? Because NH2 is remaining as it is, only one hydrogen atom is replaced with butyl group. We can say butyl group. So this is primary amine. Then in the second row, you should identify yourself. You can search out how it derived, whether all hydrogen atom of this NH3 is replaced or one hydrogen atom is remaining or two hydrogen atom is remaining. Then which type of amine is given here, you should search it out. Then these are the some aromatic amines, like we earlier said that one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced with ammonia, it becomes aniline. Aniline is generally preferred as a parent molecule for amine group. Aromatic amine, parent molecule for aromatic amine. Okay, aniline, NH2 is attached with benzene ring, it becomes aniline structure. Okay, from this then one hydrogen atom of that particular NH2 group is replaced with any alkyl group, it become N-methylamine, or we can say N substituted. If both hydrogen atom of this NH2 amino group is replaced with different methyl group, then we can say NN dimethylamine. Then nomenclature of amine means how to give the naming for this particular aromatic amine or any other amine. Compound with two NH2 groups are named by adding the suffix diamine to the name of the corresponding alkene or aromatic compound. Means if the NH2, this is if two amino group are attached with particular compound, then we can say that diamine. Like in the first structure, that is left side of your screen, hexane 1,6 diamine. In the IUPAC name, we can name it as a 1,6 hexane diamine. In the structure, the second structure, that is aromatic structure, that is benzene 1,4 diamine, we can say that 1,4 dash benzene diamine. In this way we will give the numbering to the aromatic amines. Okay, this is all about introduction of aromatic amine.